In today's video, I'll show you on how you can recover deleted files in ZArchiver. Now, to answer your question directly, unfortunately, as of the moment, you can't directly recover deleted files within ZArchiver, but of course, we have alternative methods that you can use to make sure that you can recover your file. If all of these methods works, we can be certain that your file will be permanently deleted. Now, this is because it's a file manager or archiver, not a data recovery tool. Instead, the first thing that you want to do is to check your phone's gallery or file manager. Many modern Android file managers and gallery apps like Google Photos have their own trash or bin folders where deleted files go for a period before permanent deletion. We can also check for our photos or files inside Google Drive or Photos. Basically, if the files were synced, you want to check the web interface for Google Drive or Photos and look in their trash folders. Now, for advanced steps, you want to use a file recovery app. You want to stop using your phone. The more you use your device, the higher the chance new data overwrites deleted files, making recovery impossible. So if that file is really important, you want to immediately stop using your phone. From there, we want to take it to a professional. If you don't know what you're doing, it's best if you take your phone to a file recovery professional, or if you're brave enough, you can install recovery softwares. Basically, apps like ZArchiver available on Play Stores can scan your device storage for deleted files. But in my opinion, you want to immediately stop using your device because this will overwrite your deleted files. From there, you will be able to simply recover your files on your phones. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.